Hi everybody, let's take a walk around the blueberry farm today. See what's out in the end of December 2024. Let's go see. So this is my tree. It died last year. I have to get rid of it. I planted this. It's growing. See what happens. All my shrubs here, we get nice blossoms on for another beautiful bloom this spring. That should be nice. I have to cut these down now. But these sure look nice. Look at that. There's some birds chirping behind me and above me. Oh. Winter birds. I think they're the winter birds. I used to call them chippies. So we just had a lot of snow, and now it's in the 40s Fahrenheit, so I'm able to get out here. Now, unfortunately, this nice tree died. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Maybe I'll just leave it and fall down by itself. There is a swamp we call Bear Swamp. Oh wow, pileated woodpecker holes. Look at that. Wow, see that? Trees like that attract these kind of birds. So that's why I like to leave them. We'll see. Look at that beautiful tree there. I think that's an oak tree. Big, big tree. Sure looks different in the winter. And then when you walk the property, it makes you think how big it is. It's dark out. Very cloudy. It almost looks like it's gonna snow again. See if I can make my way through this wet part here. There, got it. I should have done this yesterday. It was all sunny out. Wow. I got in here. How am I going to get out of here? Let's see. Go this way. Same way I came in, right? Yeah, right. This is probably the best way right here. Otherwise, you get wet feet. All right, here we are. There's a cypress tree getting bigger. Likes it there. It's like a whole deer trail there. I'll just sneak into this fence gate here. Couple of big groundhog holes here. This is the trying to get anyway the shade garden here, and just need a lot of time for everything, you know. And the orchard. Oh, look at the nest there. I'll probably be back in the spring for that. I would bet you it would be. All my strawberries. It's a beautiful orchard when it's in bloom. This unfortunately died. I feel really bad about it. My peach tree. I'll have to take that one out. But I already replaced it with another peach tree, which is right here. So I got that in mind. So the apple trees, I don't know what's going on with them. They did get bigger since I planted them, but they just don't seem to produce apples. So I don't know what's up with them. But peaches, they love it here. I hope this all grows. It would be neat to see that. Look at that brush pile. As I always say in past videos, every farm has a brush pile. Well, this is the one I have. Yep. And I'm sure it's filled with all kinds of creatures in there. They love to make a home in there during the winter, that kind of stuff. So, if there was snow on the ground, you probably could even see tracks going in it. All of my equipment here. It's like my plow fell over by itself. How did that happen all by itself? Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it. There was some gardens I tried here, but unfortunately I was a busy, crazy year, so I wasn't able to maintain it very well. Next year, always next year, well, you know how it goes. And this one too. A little bit of corn out of it, some tomatoes, and a gourd. And there is the blueberry patch. There it is. Let's go down in there. Let's go see. So much pruning I have to do in here. This kind of stuff's all got to come out of here. Wild raspberries or blackberries, or not corn. All that's going to come out. A lot of work here. Blueberries are wonderful, but they need maintaining. A lot of maintenance. Let's see if I can get through here. I hate those thorn bushes. And a groundhog hole right here. I count how many blueberry bushes I have here, 1,200 bushes, and I'm still propagating more. Here's the windmill here. That was there when I bought the place. So what are you gonna, one of the biggest maintenance in the blueberries is cutting out all the garbage like this wild cherry that really take over, and the stickers, and cutting out the dead, pruning it down, because that makes a big difference for the blueberries. This is really something, how this stuff grows, like how fast is this wild cherries grow here. Look at that, all through here. So I cut them out. Look at that, all through here. That's part of the maintenance. Let's go into the botanical garden. Now, of course, there's nothing blooming. Let's just see. Coneflowers, I'm going to leave them for the winter for the birds. This was my original iris garden here. I really would like to get them out of here and move them to the other new iris garden. Let's see what happens. Rose garden here. Oh, look at the leaf color here. Look at that. On the on the butterfly bushes. I let some flowers out here for the birds to chow on. Flower seeds. Just so you know, I laid these down for the winter because the wind's so strong, the wind here, I have to stake them up. So I'll let her keep standing them up and letting them fall back down and break after a while. I'll just let them there. So I'll get them staked up. See, all this has seeds on, and I like to leave this for the birds in the winter. They eat that, so that's nice. I'll brush hog it down this later on when it gets near spring. Now these are the witch hazels, but they just don't get blossoms. I hope they're going to be alright, because I did move them. Time will tell. We'll have to wait and see. Well, it's got blossoms on, so that looks good so far. This one's got blossoms on too. Even though it looks like the ground isn't frozen, it's frozen underneath. Oh, look at this. It's going to get blossoms this coming year. Look at that. Oh, that's neat. So it looks like that will take, a few things will take, I hope. That's neat to see. Oh, I got a holly here. I didn't even know that. Arborvitae looks okay. See what happens. A lot of work is going to be done this come spring. All this is going to be put out. More bird houses and stuff. A lot of benches are going to be spread around. Well, I don't know if this is going to make it. Looks like it might not. I don't know. That don't look good. Let's see. Some things may not make it. Some things will. See what we can find in here. This is going to be all irises here and daylilies over there. We'll see. A mixture of other stuff. And this spot will be an annual garden right here. So you just come right out the house and see it. Now a lot of these plots here have flowers in. We'll see what happens with them. He's gonna go out, I guess. There's some tractors. The 9N and the 8N. Well, that's about it for the tour, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this video. Always nice to share what's going on. I gotta get these out. These have some strawberries in. We'll see what happens. Alright, everybody. Thanks for joining me today. Please like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. If you have any comments, let me know. Let's see if I can get back to you. And thanks for joining me today. Alright, everybody. Bye for now, and stop by again. Bye.